Meaning of Harlequins.
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 Harlequins. The term harlequins can refer to a few different things depending on the context. In general, it is most commonly known as a type of colorful clown costume often worn in traditional Italian theater. Additionally, the harlequin character has become a popular archetype in literature and media, typically portrayed as a mischievous trickster with a checkered outfit and mask. The term may also refer to the rugby team, the Harlequins, based in London, England. Overall, Harlequins carries associations of playfulness, whimsy, and entertainment.